Want a refund for an app or in-app purchase on your iPhone or iPad? It's a straightforward process. First, navigate to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, select Media and Purchases and then View Account. You might be asked to sign in. From there, tap Purchase History. Locate the app or purchase you want a refund for and tap on it. Finally, tap the Report a Problem link. This will take you to Apple's website where you'll need to sign in again. Select the reason for your refund request from the drop-down menu. Common reasons include accidental purchase or the app not working as expected. Provide additional details in the text box and submit your request. Apple's AI-powered system now pre-analyzes requests, potentially speeding up the process. Refund decisions usually take 24-72 hours, but EU users often see faster approvals due to the Digital Markets Act. Remember, you generally have 14 days from the purchase date to request a refund. You can also request a refund from a computer. Go to reportaproblem.apple.com in your web browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Find the purchase you want to refund. Click Report a Problem and select the reason for your request. Provide a clear explanation of why you're requesting a refund. Submitting screenshots can strengthen your claim, particularly if the app is faulty. Keep in mind Apple's eligibility criteria. Refunds are typically for purchases within 14 days, provided the app or item hasn't been fully consumed. Be aware that excessive refund requests or attempts to refund after heavy use can lead to denials. Recent trends show increased use of AI in processing refunds and a growing emphasis on refunds for apps with privacy concerns. If denied, you can appeal, especially if you have additional evidence or are in the EU, where consumer protection laws are stronger.